Welcome, here I've got iPhone 12 Pro Max and I'm gonna show you how to take live photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and here we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's go to the right corner to this button. By just one tap we can turn off the live photo and another tap to turn it on, so let's stay on this. And this option allows us to take a picture and get 4 things at the same time, so we get 2 pictures and 2 short clips. Let me show you how it works by taking a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this button we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our live photo. When we slide down we can see the effects, we can see the loop, so this is short clip with loop. When we slide down again we can pick also the bounce clip, and this is how it looks like. And another slide to pick the long exposure, so we have the picture with long exposure now. And as I said, we have 4 in 1, so this is how it looks like here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.